Welcome back, it's Jerry with the Happy Hootie. We've been working hard. My wife just was out the other day and sprayed off her Acura with this new foam cannon that we got. And we're here today to see how that is going to work on our 34-foot Foretravel Motorhome we've named the Valkyrie. Now, in case you haven't watched that previous video, you need to, and certainly go down and hit subscribe on that channel and hit the like on the video so that you can see more of these great videos headed your way, because we'd love to show them to you and we'd love to get the comments from you. But in case you did miss out on that other one, we'll give it a pass. I'll show you again. We did order the big mouth foam cannon from the Chemical Guys. It's $89.99 from their website. This is no way a paid promotion of them or anything. We bought it because I wanted to try it. We haven't tried one of these before. I was impressed with how it turned out on our Acura. So today we're going to go out and hit it on the RV. Now, what we're going to be doing is we're going to go out and pressure wash off just to rinse the RV. It's been in storage all winter. And then we're going to hit it with this foam. I'm going to brush it off real quick with a soft bristle long brush that we have. And then we're going to spray and rinse it off, towel it dry. The whole thing should not take very long. If the shine comes out half as good as it did on our Acura, I'm going to be very impressed. Stick with us.
Hey, it's Sarah with the Happy Hootie. I am working on washing up our RV. We've had it in storage, so we are getting ready to go camping next weekend, and we want it to be all beautiful. So as you can see, if you can look up here close, it is very dirty on the back here. So with this stuff, we're gonna get it all cleaned up and shining. So our first step that we do is just rinse it off. So I'm gonna go ahead and just rinse from the top all the way down. And then we'll hook on our spray foam, spray it off, brush it off, rinse it off, and dry it. So I'm gonna get started. Now my husband already pre-mixed up this stuff. When you mix it up, we've got our Chemical Guys. We have the citrus wash and gloss that we use. Use about 2 to 3 ounces and then fill the rest up with water. Make sure you shake this up first before you put it in, and then once it's in here, you shake it up again. So they've got the quick connect on all these. So first we got to take off the pressure washer, and we are going to hook on this little guy. So they hook on real easy. This front part adjusts how wide your frame is, so you can get up to the top without a big wide spray. Whee! It's got a little wet. Watch the wind when you do this, because you're going to get soaky. And we are just going to give it a light once over with a little car washing brush. It's a real soft bristle, so it's not going to scratch anything. I will say this is much easier than our old way of having a bucket, having to dip it in, get your bucket, getting a little bit, and cleaning it up. This process goes so much faster, and the result is a lot better as well. So we will see how it looks. I'm going to take this back off and put back on my power washer and spray it off. Once we dry it, we will really see a big difference. So now I'm going to get my towel and get it all dried off. All right, we just finished drying it, and I am really impressed with how it's looking. All this dirt back here is all gone. The process has been very quick. We're going to go ahead and finish up doing the RV. All right, we just got done washing up the RV, and I am very impressed. I don't recall seeing it this shiny. My husband said he doesn't know, but I mean, I can actually like see reflections on it. So it feels very soft, very nice. I mean, it is a 98, so of course there's some imperfections that are still on there, but this took probably 20, maybe 30 minutes tops with us working together and getting it done. So I really like the product. I think it saved us a lot of time, and it looks really good. All right, well, thanks for watching. Hope you guys liked the video. If so, please like and subscribe. See you next time.